In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Smartsheet. If you've ever needed a quick total for a list of numbers, like expenses, hours, or quantities, Smartsheet makes it simple with a basic sum formula. I'll walk you through the exact process so your total appears right where you need it and continues to update as your data changes. Start by opening your sheet and scrolling to the bottom of the data in the column you want to total. Click the last cell in that column where you want the total to appear. This tells Smartsheet where to place the formula result. It's best to choose a cell just below your final data value so the total is clearly separated from your list. Next, go to the top of the screen and click Formulas. When you do, a formula panel opens on the right side. This panel is designed to help you build functions without guessing the syntax. In that panel, type an equal sign, then the word sum. You'll see it start to recognize the function. After sum, add an opening parenthesis. Now, select the cells you want to include. Click back into your sheet and click and drag from the first cell in your data range down to the last cell in that same column. As you drag, the panel will capture the range automatically. You'll notice the formula build itself, something like as gem nam chanda name 25. If you accidentally select too much or too little, just drag again before applying. Don't include the header or the total cell itself, only the data you want to add up. When your range looks right, click Apply in the panel. Smartsheet places the finished formula into the cell you selected, calculates the total, and displays the result immediately. You can always click that cell later to see the formula in the bar and confirm the range. A few quick tips to keep things clean. If any cells in the range contain text or symbols instead of numbers, the sum function will ignore them. But it's a good idea to keep that column strictly numeric for accurate results. If you ever edit a value within the selected range, the total updates automatically, no extra work needed. And if you see something unexpected, double-check that your highlighted range matches exactly the cells you want to include. That's all it takes. By selecting the bottom cell, opening the Formulas panel, typing equals and sum, dragging to choose your range, and hitting Apply, you've created a dynamic total for your column in Smartsheet.